Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's just first open the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click on the settings and tap to the voice section, then just click to the voice match and okay, it's activated. Now just to activate the OK Google or Hey Google feature, you should click here once on the switcher and tap to the next, then read the description and click yes, I agree. After that say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, and now just click here to finish. And now as we can see, the OK Google feature is successfully activated. So that works, as you can see. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.